Hey guys, on this episode I'll show you how to replace this little screen with a bigger screen. First thing I want to do, turn it to the run position without starting it, and I'll show you what you guys got to do. So you're going to go to your climate control, go to your rear, and then push on, and they'll bring up this video here, and then hit rear climate, and make sure it's not locked. If it's red, that means it's locked. So the reason why I'm doing this is so I'll actually have access back there when I put my new radio and everything and the new bezel and everything. Because right now, if it's locked, you're going to lose access to your third row seating. So make sure it's white like that. Turn it off. And then you can, but you don't have to. You can take out the little radio fuse, but I'm not going to. So turn it off. Next thing I'm going to do, the provided tool. I'm going to take out the trim. There's these little lips. Just work your way. Be careful right here because it's got this little notch here. It's two clips and a notch there. So take that one out. Here we're gonna do the same thing. It's got a little lip here. You just gotta try to get your little pry tool under. It's the same thing, guys. You don't need to take it all the way off, just enough where you get access to your bolts. So there's one here, and then there's one here, and it's a Torx 20. So let me take out these screws real quick. So there are two of them. One there. One here. Once you get that, you just go right here, try to find a lip. A lot of times, as you can see, it's got these little lips here. It actually goes underneath here. It's usually supposed to be in there, and it goes under. So you have to usually pull up, but I'm just showing you guys. Be careful you don't break these little lips off. So you want to undo your climate control here. Just push the button in. It pulls right out. So put this somewhere up here. Next thing you want to do is you got these 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same. It's a Torx 20. So you're going to want to take these out. This is your head unit. You want to take this out. Put these somewhere we won't lose them. This one's right there. I'll get it in a second. So I guess while you have here this loose, same thing. Torx 20. Get it for your bezel. There's 2 bolts. One here, one here. Just like that. Now all you do is it's got little tabs all the way around. Just pull out a little bit. And then it's got one big tab up on the top. And you just want to keep pulling it. And just pull it right out. I'll try to get it sideways for you. And you can see you got these tabs. So you got to push in on these little tabs. Right here you got to push. And then you got to pull it out, which is going to be kind of just like that. Same thing with this one. It's got the little blue tab right here. So push it. Same thing with this one. Sometimes you have to use a screwdriver to push that tab in and then pull it out. Just like so. So there's the bezel and everything. So we're gonna take this in the back real quick and I'll show you. So here we are. This is the original one. What we're gonna do is just come on the back. It's got 3 bolts, little screws, Phillips head. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna want to take these 3 out. And this is a number 2 Phillips head screw. So you guys know. So you see it's got these little tabs. 1 there, 1 here. And then I'll show you when I pull it off. So you want to pull it straight up. So it's got these tabs right here, which these tabs go into. So those go into here. So you're going to take your vent, just transfer it over. So take your trim piece and put it on your new piece over here. Just match it up. Same thing. Just take this, your vent. You just got to get it lined up. Like I said with the back, it lines up with those little tabs, and you hear the little snap snap. It snaps right into place. And then we're just going to put our 3 screws back in. You don't have to go super tight because it's not that really important. Just hold the vents in. So you can see here. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. As you can see, it's a big difference. So the biggest thing, you just want to take out your venting system here that was in there, which is those 3 bolts. It's going to say on the back where everything goes. So I got everything pretty much plugged in play. So I'm going to have 2 videos. This is going to be just putting the radio in. The other one will be installing the backup camera. So let's go on the side again. I'll show you how to put this in there. So we're back inside. Now you want to pull out your head unit. Just pull it straight out. It's going to have some connectors in the back. Same thing, you're just going to want to undo the connectors. Like I said, it's just those little tabs. You just push down on them and they pull right out. Okay, I got the bezel and everything out, the radio. So next thing I'm going to do, on the back, have everything right here. So you take your micro SD on your new radio, and it goes in here, just like that. You're going to want to take your antenna, which is your radio, and you're going to want to plug it into the white one. So just like that. So the yellow one's not going to be used. This white one's not going to be used, this little one. This one here is going to go into your power of your head unit on your new radio. Hear the snap. And then we're going to have to get this up and about. It's got this one here. It's going to go in to this one here. So I'm going to have to push it up there. And then this one, this black one, is going to go here. So that goes there. So this one's not getting used. This yellow one's not getting used. And this white one is not getting used. So everything else is getting used. So don't use this one because this is your climate control stuff. So let me plug all this stuff in. like I said, you just line everything up, plug it all in, and it does go one way. It shows the notch there and the notches there. So just try to line it all up, get it set in there, just like that. And like I said, I'm going to do another video, but this is where the backup wire is going to go. But for now, this is what we're going to do. So let me get this all up in place and I'll show you everything else. Okay, everybody, so you want to have two hands. Hopefully you can have two hands because this is kind of a pain. My dad was helping me with it. But get everything plugged in, and you want to have your GPS. You want to feed this through your glove box. And you're going to want to put it up here on the A-frame of the car. But I'll show you here in a minute. And then your USB that's in the back of it, same thing. You want to have it here in your glove box so you can hook up your phone and charge your phone and whatever. So I'll just show you guys real quick. We'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. I haven't messed with it. Like I said, I haven't touched anything. I haven't put my bezel back in for my vents. So let's just see what we got. Like I said, I'm not actually starting the vehicle. I'm just putting it on run. Looks like we got some stuff here. I'm sure I have to do something here, but let's see. So yeah, here it is. And like I said, you're gonna need to set up this stuff on your phone. You Bluetooth it. So I don't know how to do this yet. I've just turned it on, just showing you. So it does work. So I'm gonna turn it off. Hit your power button. So now I'm gonna put the last little bit on my climate control stuff. So same thing, just gonna plug it in. Here's a snap. And like I said, guys, remember these tabs here. It's got one there and one here. It goes underneath right here, so it does like a little rocking motion. So you want to rock it in, get the line or the holes lined up, which they are. And then, like I said, take your 20, Torx 20, and you're just going to want to screw it in. So as you can see, it's right there. Just like that. Make sure it's going in nice and easy. Just like that. Put your other one in here. Just like this. Next thing I want to do, well, let's just see. Like I said, this is all, I'm trying to figure it out myself with you guys. So next thing I want to do is just snap it back all in. And you just gotta get your other piece wherever I put it. But yeah, just put your other trim right here. But I know I didn't lose it, but let's just see real quick and see what happens when I do this. So let's see. Oh, it does work, so that's a good thing. So the volume works with that. We'll see if we have, we'll see if this will actually work. So that's working here. And like I said, this is all trial and error, guys. I'm trying to figure out how to get the stuff in the back, but it should be, yeah, like I said in the beginning, make sure you don't have it locked because it works back there for the third row seating, but I'm sure it shows in the owner's manual how to do this. But like I said, I'm going to do another video how to put the backup camera in, but this is just putting the radio in for now. Like I said, it's a huge difference from the little 4-inch to this. Like I said, it does have little bitty gaps, but it's not going to be perfect, guys. It's a lot better than what it is. So again, it works fine. I just have to figure out how this goes. So yeah, thanks guys. So as you can see guys, this is original. It's on a 2018 Dodge Journey. Original little baby screen to this big touch screen Android. You can play YouTube and everything on it, pretty much everything on your phone. But I will show you guys. Everything functions like it's supposed to. I'm still getting used to this radio, but like I said, I still have to look in the owner's manual and all this, but I'll show you guys. The radio and everything works. Like I said, I don't know any of the presets because I haven't messed with it, but again, that to this, and the biggest thing is remember when you before you do anything, make sure you go to your climate control with this one. As you can see, your climate, so you want to hit that again, like I said in the very beginning. Make sure you hit your climate control for your rear, get it on the rear, and make sure it's not locked on the back for like kids, so kids can't mess with it. Make sure that thing is not locked, because if it's locked, you're going to lose all rear climate control. Right now I still have all rear climate control because I hit the unlock on it, so it all works. So again, this is the part 1 video, and I'm going to do a part 2 of how to put the backup camera into it. But yeah, this is the difference.